Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your English class. Okay class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Tuesday and which date today? 26th of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day. So let's start our day with phonics. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay student, today we will do something new. Which topic we are going today? Today we are going to do circle the correct sound. Okay class, take out your workbook and open page number 81. And our topic is circle the correct sound. Okay, look at the picture. Which picture is this? What is this? This is a jug. This is a jug. And what is the sound of, what is the first letter of jug? Which letter is correct? Which letter is this? T. And which letter is this? J. Jug. J, j, jug. J, j, jug. We will circle the letter J and J give the sound of J. We will circle the letter J like this. Okay. And look at this. Which picture is this? Lamp. Lamp. Which letter is this? L. And which letter is this? Q. And Ella. Lamp. Ella. Lamp. We will circle the letter L and L give the sound of la. La, lamp. Okay, look at this. What is this? This is an umbrella. And which letter is this? L. And which letter is this? U. We will circle the letter U. U says umbrella. Umbrella. We will circle the letter U like this. Okay. What is this? This is a tree. And which letter is this? T. And which letter is this? Y. Tree. Ta ta. Tree. Capital T. T says ta. Ta ta. Tree. And we will circle the letter T like this. Which picture is this? This is a mango. This is a mango. And which letter is this? B. And which letter is this? M. Mama. Mango. Mama. Mango. And M give the sound of M. We will circle the letter M like this. Okay, now tell me, what is this? This is a zebra. What is this? This is a zebra. And which letter is this? This is letter X and this is letter Z. Z, z, zebra. Z says Z. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. And we will circle the letter Z like this. Okay class, complete your work and send me your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.